Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube, and this is the very first episode of this new series that I am starting, which is called Alone Not Lonely. So let me explain my belief behind this title. So technically what I mean by alone not lonely is from a point of view of making progress and like generally improving through life, making actual progress towards your goal. And I think that when I say alone, I mean to say that real progress, real solutions are only found when you're sitting alone in your room, or maybe in the gym, or maybe you're taking a shower and you're all alone and you think about that certain thing and you get this very clear perspective about what your next step should be. I can say this not only in terms of making actual progress or working or starting a business or making money, or if you're in your job or something, but I mean to say this perspective works in every single aspect of your life. Like, it can be relationships, it can be friendships, it can be any other thing in your life. And I think that that is what I mean when I say alone not lonely. You don't necessarily have to be lonely, like you don't have anyone in your life, or if you've lost everyone from your life, I mean, that's okay as well. That I don't see that as a problem, or a reason to be depressed or something. But I just think that real progress happens alone, and that is my belief behind starting this series. So the first episode, as I've written here, is called Introduction. So let's start with my introduction. I am Swara. I am 22 years old. I live in Maharashtra state of India, and I started out my social media journey as a content creator in the gym niche. I have been posting gym videos and tips and a few routines since 2022, I think. And I had hit a peak in my social media journey when I gained like 10,000 followers on Instagram. But then for some reason I stopped posting. I got really busy with life and I lost them. And right now I am on 9,000 subscribers. But eventually I think I'll gain them back. I am trying to post consistently or something. I said I'm trying, okay? So if you're someone who follows me there, thank you so much. And if you don't follow me there, make sure you follow me there. Make sure you subscribe me here. And that's all on my introduction part. So the next thing that I want to talk to you about is what you can expect to come out of this series. I won't be speaking too much about, working hard, progress, determination. Like, those are definitely the things that we are going to need to stay focused or something. But in this series I'll be speaking of the little things that happen to us every day, that are like really common experiences. For example, we can talk about friendship breakups, we can talk about our relationship with our family, we can talk about loneliness in general, we can talk about moving to a different city and the struggles associated with it, and how you lose yourself, like you lose your identity while growing up. You guys, speaking of growing up, recently I have been sensing these little things that are making me feel like I am old now all of a sudden or something. Like I think 2 days ago I saw the very first episode of Love Island, and those idiots are 23 and 24 year olds. You're telling me that you're 23 and 24-year-olds. I'll turn 23 in a few months and I look nothing like them. I don't think like them. They look flawless. They've got surgeries done, and looking at them just makes me feel like I've been left behind or something. Or maybe since they act so maturely, I just feel like, am I supposed to act like that or something now that I am a grown up like them? That is one thing that made me feel very old recently. And there was this another thing where I recently finished a whole lipstick. Can you believe it? I have never in my entire life finished a whole lipstick, but recently I did. So yeah, that makes me feel old. These are some very little things that make us feel suffocated in this process of growing up, and that is what I'll be talking about in this series. It is called Alone Not Lonely. With this series I am hoping that we all just speak about all of these things happening around us, and then we can grab all these little incidents, we can talk about it, and we can talk about how we can use them to our advantage to make actual progress. We can talk about how we don't want them to hold us back. We can talk about how we can move on, how we can make progress, in the longer run. So that is what you should expect to come out of this series. And that's all, I guess. I hope I'll see you in the next episode. I hope you've subscribed. If you loved this video, please make sure that you like it. Make sure to leave comments. Make sure to give me any recommendations. If you have anything in your mind, if you want me to speak about something, please comment that and I'll make sure to make a video about it. Thank you.